The Pioneer Memorial Cemetery, located at 10325 72nd Avenue Northeast in Salem, Oregon, was established in 1855 and is maintained by the Shah Meketa Lodge No. 1, Independent Order of Odd Fellows. The cemetery was originally founded as an Odd Fellows rural cemetery and has a rich history of burial practices and community involvement. The cemetery features headstones that date from the 1850s to the present, reflecting the cemetery's long-standing presence in the community. It is a small but well-maintained cemetery with a small church on the grounds, built in 1897 by the congregation. The cemetery's name was adopted in 1911, and it has been a place of peace and beauty for a final resting place for many. The cemetery's history is a testament to the community's commitment to preserving and honoring the memory of its ancestors.